Hey! Sweet! I know they didn't know it! Woohoo! They didn't shut me off! Woohoo! Yeah! Sweet! Hey, this is... Where's headquarters? Headquarters? This doesn't... I don't remember this to be HQ. Wonder if the chief tree is here. All I see is barrels. Huh? Hey, there's a note. Hey, my tingle tuner. Excuse us, Mr. Link. You have been known as a fugitive for escaping the island we imprisoned you on, and you are now known as a fugitive. All operatives will be new assigned missions will be assigned to kill you. Better get running. Oh no. Hey, what does this note say? Oh crud! Breathe. This is important. I gotta get there fast. We gotta get there! Woohoo! We're gonna get there in time! Woohoo! Yes! We're almost there! Oh no! A shark! Hahaha. My ship is stronger than you, shark. Said to be here. Are you? Yes, I am. Thank Lord. It's the man who's selling burritos for half off. Woohoo! Well, no, don't be retarded. I am not the man. I am here to